How to export Figma prototype to video. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily export Figma prototype to video. So first of all, go ahead and open your Figma web. Let's say you got your video in and everything, but you don't know how to download it and you want it in a high quality as possible. So first of all you have to do is get the plugins. Now, to get the plugins, go to the main menu and look for plugin button. Go ahead and tap on it, and then after that, go ahead and tap on manage plugins. So when you're here, just search up export video and click the first one and click on run, and then it's going to load up. So it's going to ask you to export the file. So you can just choose the file right over here and go ahead and choose your own file that you want to export of this Figma. And just like that, you will be able to export your frames. And after that, you're good to go. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching until the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.